Hello guys. So in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a YouTube video. So stick with me, let's get down into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go over to content. You go over to content here. Then when you go over to content, you're going to click on create. In your YouTube studio, you go over to content, then you go over to create. Then when you go over to create, you click on upload video. Now when you click on upload video, the next thing you need to do is to go and select the file where you've actually recorded the video. You understand? So I use the screen recording app, so Camtasia Studio. So I'm just going to locate the video's name. There are a lot of videos here, so you know how to locate your video name. I'll skip this part. Then if you do that, it will just bring you to this place. Now this is me. I've already uploaded this video already, so this is just what we need to start doing. So the next thing we need to do is to upload our thumbnail. So you actually, after you finish creating a very catchy video name, like in this video is how to create a YouTube channel easily. This is what the video is talking about. Then I have to create the description. So let's just create the description. I'm going to go over to ChatGPT. So I'm going to go over to ChatGPT and just create a new chat. And I also go over to video. I also have a ChatGPT file where I create YouTube description. So I can just go there. Now AI has come to stay. You can use AI to your benefit, so that you will not spend so much time just writing. So I'm going to click on this. All right, so I'm going to tell this AI to just kindly help me write a video description for this title. Then I'm going to copy the title of my video. When I copy the title of my video, I just go and paste it here again. Then kindly help recommend other videos alongside adding relevant hashtags. So hashtags work, everything works. So I'm just going to click here, and this is how it's going to do for me. It's going to create a video description, and you can see it has helped me. You can see what it did for me. Beautiful. So all I just need to do right now is to copy from here. The command did not do justice to my prompt. It did not give me the link, but I know where I'm going to copy it. I'm just going to copy it straight from my previous prompt. So I'm just going to click here. Then you can see. Then watch next. Then I'll just go over to my other YouTube videos, other prompts I have actually done in the past, recommended videos. These are my links, so I'll just copy them directly. This is just to make sure that people can also see my former stuffs, and I just copy everything directly. Then I just paste it here. So when I paste it, you can see everything is appearing directly. So great. So the next thing I'll need to do is to just add my hashtags, which it already gave me. So I'll just go down here. Again, understanding AI is very important. Understanding AI is very important for you. So this is it, and I'm just going to click on it here and paste. Now you can see my video has already uploaded. It's already uploaded, it's already there. So the next thing I need to do now is to um, upload my thumbnail. Now I've already edited my thumbnail, I've already done a straight use this template to create a very good thumbnail. I've already created a very good thumbnail with Canva, and this is what I was able to come up with. I've already downloaded it, so I'll just go here and click upload, and it is here already, and I'm going to upload it. So the next thing is, yes, my playlist. So I'm creating a playlist. I want to start teaching about YouTube, so this is it here. I just click on my playlist. If you want to create a new playlist, you can click here, new playlist. So I'll click on done, and I'll go over to next. Next is monetization. Because my channel is monetized, I have to click on. Very important to turn on monetization so that you can make so much money from your stuff. So manage ad slots. Should I manage it, or let's see so this is where all my ads are being placed. Now when you're watching this video, you probably would see some ads. So nevertheless, there is no need for plenty talk. I just need to go to ad stability, check whether I used all the right language, clicked none of the above, then submit rating. Then it will bring me on to the next thing, and I click on next. So rate your video in order to blah blah blah. So I'm going to rate my video. Okay, this one has not even it has not completed. So your ad suitability questionnaire is long since you have submitted your ratings. All right, so everything is checked here. So it said end screen, import end screen. So I'm going to do an end screen. I'm going to add an end screen. So my end screen will be this. Let me use this as my end screen, just to like let people watch my previous stuffs. So end screen cannot be important because it didn't match blah blah blah. Oh, I don't really care, but so I'm just going to choose this one and allow YouTube to just decide for me, so to save me a lot of stress. So I'm just going to choose those ones, and I'll go back to the next one, which is checks. They're already checking all those things. Then visibility, once I'm sure that everything is okay, then I know that there is no copyright issue or anything, I just go over to word public. And for me, I believe there is nothing like this because everything has been checked, you can see. So don't need to put it on listed. So I'm just going to go to publish, and that is how my video has been published on my channel. So beautiful. So this video has already been published, been monetized already. And if I go over to my channel, Uzoma, or just go over to my channel here, I see it. I'll see it. Everyone is creating video. Why are you not creating video? So I'm just gonna go over here, then I'll just go over here, and you can see it's already there. So no time to waste time, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not liked, if you have not subscribed, please do that. And you can also see some of other my videos to get value and to also progress. I'm going to be dropping videos like this from time to time, so stick with me and get all the values you can get. With that being said, see you in the next video.